Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you will be fine. In today's topic I am going to teach you the one of the science special topic which is related to quantity surveying, and our topic is how to calculate quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in concrete. Okay, so dear students, let's suppose we have a PCC slab. The length of the slab is 30 feet and the width of the slab is 20 feet. Okay, and dear students, the thickness of a slab is 8 inches. Okay, now dear students, if you want to calculate total quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in this slab, first of all we calculate total volume of the slab. Okay, so dear students, the volume of the slab will be equal to length cross width cross thickness. Okay, so dear students, the length of the slab is 30 feet and the width of the slab is 20 feet and the slab thickness is 8 inches. So we divide this 8 inches by 12 to convert into feet. So we can get the total volume of the slab in terms of cubic feet. Okay, and now dear students, if you want to calculate total quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in this volume, first of all we convert this volume into dry shrinkage. So we multiply 1.54 term with the total volume of the slab, so we can get the total dry shrinkage volume of the slab. Okay, and now dear students, if we use the M15 grade of concrete in the slab, so the M15 grade of concrete is 1:2:4, where 1 represent the total quantity of cement and 2 represent the quantity of sand and 4 represent the total quantity of aggregate. Okay, so now dear students, if we want to calculate total quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in this volume, first of all we take sum of ratio. So the sum of ratio will be equal to 1 TK, which is the total quantity of cement, and 2 which is total quantity of sand, and 4 which is total quantity of aggregate. So the sum of ratio is 7. Okay, so now dear students, if you want to calculate total quantity of cement, then you can see over here the sum of ratio is 7 and this one part represent the total quantity of cement. So dear students, if in 7 part the one part is cement, then what should be the total volume of cement in this total volume? So now dear students, if we multiply these two terms, we can get the total quantity of cement in terms of cubic feet. Okay, and now dear students, if you want to convert this total volume of cement into number of bags, then remember the weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg and the volume of one bag of cement is 1.25 CFT. So dear students, we divide this term with the 1.25 CFT, so we can get the total number of bags. Okay, and now dear students, if you want to calculate total quantity of sand in this volume, then remember the sum of ratio is 7 and this two part represent the total quantity of sand. Okay, so dear students, the sand will be 2 divided by 7 and multiply by this total volume. Okay, so we can get the total quantity of sand. And now dear students, if you want to calculate total quantity of aggregate, then remember the sum of ratio is 7 and this 4 part represent the total quantity of aggregate. So the aggregate will be equal to 4 divided by 7 and multiply by total volume of this slab. Okay, so we can get the total quantity of aggregate. Okay, so dear students, this is our today topic. I hope you will learn something new from this lecture. If you have any question related to this topic, please comment on my channel. I will try to reply your answer. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.